Oh man, it's actually really nice out today. The sun's shining, but we got absolutely dumped on the other day. There's like 1.5 feet of snow, and I think we're getting another one of those storms tomorrow. It stinks. Gotta find something to do today. No! You really scared me. Good job, kid.
Thank you.
What do you want to do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I was thinking about taking a drive up the coast and maybe finding something for lunch. Does that sound good? Yikes. I actually think the first stop today should be the car wash. I haven't had a car wash in a while. It's all salty all over the place. We ended up in somewhere in Maine. We've been driving for like 2 hours. Kept meaning to stop, like at the beach and hang out, but didn't work out. I think we're near York, Maine. There's like nothing. We haven't seen anything for like 2 hours. This is the most that we've seen. This gas station, and there's like a restaurant across the street. I think it's lunchtime. I did not find a car wash yet. This car needs to be washed. I guess we're going to a place called the Weather Vane for some seafood. Also, we're at the Kittery outlet, so maybe we'll go walk around the outlet a little bit. It's like tons of junk over there to look at. Is it called the Outpost? The Kittery Outpost?
Yeah, I think so. They have fun camping stuff.
That's fun.
I don't know.
Yeah, right over there, the Kittery Trading Post. That's kind of cool. Checking out the Woodlands Farms Brewery. A tasting room. Oh my goodness. You know how to play this?
Once you get the square, you put your name in, your initials in it, and then you win that square. The person who has the most squares wins, okay?
Amanda, that margarita looks amazing.
I know, right?
Look, Blackbeard's daughter.
Hey!
Mommy never
Fantastic.
fall for his tricks. Like, never do that.
Always fall for my tricks. Miles, look, Blackbeard's daughter.
What are you doing?
Oh. I'm just gonna draw a mustache on you.
Not any mustache, a green one.
A green mustache. It looks better.
Probably not good during coronavirus, buddy.
Why?
With a crayon.
The crayons don't get coronavirus. Hold on. Tell me about coronavirus and crayons.
We don't know who touched them.
They came out of a fresh... Where's the rest of them?
This guy.
Oh yeah. Oh, the Weather Vane mascot? How cool is that?
I don't like him.
He's kind of creepy. He's super creepy. Are these supposed to be like dreads?
Do you think there's somebody in there?
Wouldn't that be funny if he like came out and was like, surprise! Alright. Came across the street to the outlets. Kind of excited to go walk around. I don't want to buy things, but... Oh, all the kids are out of the car. I thought they'd be coming my way. I don't want to buy tons of stuff because we just spent a bunch of money, but I want to go walk around the outlets, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, it's not just wet. There's a puddle in there. These flavors are amazing. Milk, mint, dulce de leche, fudge swirl. Did anybody get a fudge swirl? Did you? That sounds amazing. Get the caramel. You should definitely get the regular old caramel.
Okay, that's
right.
2 caramels.
That's perfect. All right, you ready to pay?
Yep.
Let's...
Yeah, we do.
Yep.
Doing everything together today?
Sure.
Perfect. No. Nice samples for each of you today.
Ooh.
Give you guys 2 of each.
Whoa.
Of course. And 2 and 2 for you.
Thank you.
Of course. I see we have a Disney family. I love that.
Yeah. Very much.
I love it.
Thank you, bud. Going into the calendar games and toys store. Yes. Super Mario World 2021 calendar. I want that. What is this? I have no words. This store is so overpriced. Look at all the Monopoly games, though. Are you kidding me? I didn't know they had Rugrats Monopoly. How cool is that? Sloth yoga poster. That's weird. Michelle, what a cute unicorn you found. Ah! Ding.
Ding.
Oh man, when that sun shines, it's so nice out. Ah, what do you think, Miles? Nice? Nice and warm, huh? Feel the sun. It's beautiful, right?
I know.
I mean, I guess so. That's beautiful. Burning the planet one tongue at a time. Maybe this one. Oh, lemon and lime hot sauce. This sounds really good. Oh, hey, get out of here. Why is this so annoying? Stop it. Stop it. Oh my god. Ah! Wax bottles. These are wicked fun. We're getting these. Ooh, guns. I don't even know how to get out of here. Foot socks? Where else do you put socks? Where else would you put a sock, Miles?
On your foot.
Exactly. Okay. Do you want to fly the drone?
Yeah.
Do you really? Yeah. All right, let me send it way up. All right, it's like way up there.
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
What do I have to do?
All right, so this is up and down. Don't go down, only go up.
Okay.
This is move it left and right, forward and backwards.
Is it as high as it goes?
No, it goes
So if I
higher.
don't do anything, it just stays in the air?
Yep, and then this goes back and forth. Don't touch that one.
Okay.
Touch only this one.
Okay.